Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm telling you a short, funny story using the present continuous tense. Yes, that's the one where we say, I am doing, he is going, and so on. Let's jump into the story first, and after that, I'll explain everything. Let's go. The name of the story is Today at the Park. It's a sunny day. I am at the park. I am sitting on a bench. I am watching people around me. A boy is playing with a red ball. His sister is laughing and is running in the grass. Two old men are talking and are drinking tea. A group of kids are riding their bicycles. One of them is singing loudly. Near me, a dog is jumping and is barking. Its owner is smiling and is throwing a stick. And me? I am enjoying this moment. I am smiling too. All right, friends. Now that you've heard the story, let's pause and talk about something super important. What tense was I using? It's called the present continuous tense. Sounds fancy, right? But it's actually super easy. Think of it like this. Present means now and continuous means still going. So, present continuous is used when something is happening right now and it's not finished yet. It's still going on. Imagine this. You're eating pizza right now. You say, I am eating pizza. You're watching my video now. You say, I am watching your video. Easy, right? How do we make it? Subject followed by am or is or are followed by the base verb with ing. Like this. I am drinking coffee. She is reading a book. They're laughing at a funny meme. Why do we use it? Because life doesn't stop. Things are always happening. And when they are, we use the present continuous to talk about them. So if I ask you, what are you doing right now? Don't say, I do study. Instead, say, I am studying. See the difference? Present continuous equals you're in the middle of doing something. So go ahead, look around you. What's happening? What are you doing? Write it in the comments. If you liked this story and learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new story. Let's learn English together, one simple story at a time. See you in the next video.